Hey, everyone! Today, we're going to explore how to create a workbook in Engini, which serves as the foundation for organizing your tables. A workbook contains one or more tables and provides your account with a structured hierarchy, helping you manage multiple departments, teams, and projects all in one place. First, navigate to the Tables section from the Engini homepage. Once you're there, click on the Add Workbook button, located at the top. After creating the workbook, it's time to give it a meaningful name. Click on New Workbook to rename it. Simply remove the default name and enter the new name that best reflects the purpose of the workbook. Now that your workbook is set up, you're ready to start adding tables to it. To learn how to build tables, including how to create columns and manage records, you could watch our videos about tables to get a deeper understanding.
And that's it.
You've successfully created a workbook in Engini. This structure will help you keep your data organized and easily accessible. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.